Can AI have a sense of humor? Humor is one of the most complex and deeply human traits, involving timing, cultural context, surprise, and emotional intelligence. So, can artificial intelligence truly develop a sense of humor, or is it merely mimicking patterns it has learned? The answer lies in understanding how AI processes language, generates jokes, and whether it can ever get humor the way humans do. How AI generates humor. Modern AI, particularly large language models (LLMs) like ChatGPT, can create jokes, puns, and even sarcastic remarks. It does this by analyzing vast amounts of text data, learning patterns in humor, and replicating structures that humans find funny. For example, AI can generate puns by recognizing wordplay or set up punchlines by following comedic templates. However, this doesn't mean AI understands humor. It simply predicts what words are statistically likely to form something humans perceive as funny. The limits of AI humor. While AI can produce jokes, its humor often falls flat or feels forced because lack of emotional insight. Humor often relies on shared human experiences, emotions, and social cues, things AI doesn't truly experience. Cultural and contextual blind spots. Many jokes depend on cultural references, irony, or sarcasm, which AI may misinterpret without deep contextual awareness. No real intent to amuse. AI doesn't want to make people laugh. It just follows instructions to generate text that resembles humor. Can AI ever develop a true sense of humor? For AI to have a genuine sense of humor, it would need self-awareness, understanding why something is funny, not just mimicking jokes. Emotional intelligence, recognizing human emotions to adjust humor appropriately. Creativity beyond patterns, inventing original, context-aware jokes rather than rehashing existing ones. Some researchers argue that with advances in artificial general intelligence (AGI), AI might one day achieve a form of humor comprehension. However, as of now, AI humor remains an imitation rather than an authentic expression of wit. The future of AI and humor. Despite its limitations, AI can still be a useful tool for comedy, helping writers brainstorm jokes, generating humorous content for social media, or even powering interactive comedy bots. Some startups are already experimenting with AI stand-up comedy, though the results are mixed. In conclusion, AI can simulate humor effectively, but it doesn't truly have a sense of humor in the human sense. It lacks the lived experience, emotional depth, and spontaneous creativity that make humor so uniquely human. For now, AI's jokes are best seen as clever parlor tricks rather than genuine comedy.